I just reached the airport. I have to go for rapid test. I got my result. Then you are okay to board. I'm just done with the check-in. I need the boarding pass. This one. Yep. And now I can relax. Duty-free shopping. Wow, wow! Just enjoy the takeoff. Wow. And if you want massage, the massage chair is just right behind me. The boarding has just started. Hello. I wish I get all the seat only by myself. Goodbye, Bali. So it's time to say bye to Bali and to my hotel, and now I am on my way to the airport. There I need to catch my flight, but of course before that I will have to go through first. The most important thing is rapid test. Of course right now you cannot travel without rapid test. So first thing I will have to go for the rapid test. After that I will catch my flight. So to be honest, I'm feeling sad as well because I'm leaving Bali. Of course, I had a lot of fun. It was amazing adventure, epic. I really enjoyed a lot. I just reached the airport, but before that, I will have to go for a rapid test. So I'm just waiting here for my turn, and after that, I can proceed. Now the long hassle will start to check in, to validate, and a lot of stuff I don't know. So yeah, let's see. Let's start with it. The good thing is I got my result, and the result is negative. By the way, today my flight is CityLink. When I was coming from Surabaya to Bali, I got here via Lion Air. But yeah, of course I wanted to change. So I'm just done with the check-in. Finally, now my hands are free because I already dropped my luggage. I already checked in. And now I can go. I can pass through here, but actually they said that I need the boarding pass, this one. Yep, it worked. This one. They said that now mostly we do the online check-in. So yeah, now I am good to go, and now I can relax. Yeah. Now I'm in an area where you can enjoy the duty-free shopping. If you want to eat, or if you just want to relax. Wow, wow, just enjoy the takeoff. Wow. Wow. Wow, that was beautiful. That was beautiful. What a lovely takeoff. And if you want massage, the massage chair is just right behind me. Ayo, pakai masker. Wow, and it's a massive one. Yes, compare with the Lion Air and the others, this is a massive one. The boarding has just started. And wow, it's such a huge line. Huge queue. It's a long one. Hello.
Datang di dalam pesawat Airbus 320 CityLink Indonesia Kiki 699 dengan tujuan Surabaya. Dari pesawat
My seat is 14D. Let's see. Where is
Merokok
it?
di kamar kecil atau di kabin adalah pelanggaran terhadap hukum yang berlaku. Pengisian baterai perangkat elektronik dengan menggunakan power bank.
I am on my seat and now I can relax. And still it's such a big line. Yeah, such a big queue. Still there are so many and they need to board. I wish I get all the seat only by myself. By the way, I got very lucky. I got all the seat by myself. I wasn't expecting this, but actually I got very lucky. Enjoy the takeoff. Bye bye Bali. Goodbye Bali. I hope we'll see you again soon. Beautiful. Beautiful, really. Just look at the ocean, it's amazing. And look at the leg space. So yeah, so far I'm enjoying my flight. So it was quite smooth sailing so far, and suddenly it started to shake. There was a little bit turbulence, and the flight attendant said to me that, "Sir, you need to wear your seat belt." And I think it's because of the weather. Because the weather is, I think, quite cloudy. And now it's time to land, so let's enjoy.
Bapak Ibu terhormat, selamat datang di Bandara Internasional Juanda dari Surabaya. Silakan tetap duduk sampai pesawat ini berhenti dengan sempurna dan lampu tanda kenakan sabuk pertama dimatikan. Mohon untuk tidak mengaktifkan telepon genggam sampai Anda tiba di ruang kedatangan.
And now it's time to board off the plane. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
This one is enormous. Yep. So I got my luggage. I already checked with the Peduli Lindungi app. There is like a barcode. You need to show that. And now I am waiting for the taxi. There is still 3-4 minutes. And I'm terribly tired. So yeah, let's wait for the taxi. I'm already in my taxi now and I am on my way. I'm terribly tired, to be honest. It was such a long day, but finally I am rich. I need a lot of rest. I need to sleep for at least 20 hours. Last night also I couldn't sleep because of course if you are in Bali, why would you want to sleep? You just want to enjoy, and that was the reason I didn't sleep. Anyways, I will go home and I will rest. This is Salman and I'll catch you in the next one.